Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 12, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up your boot options, and you want to swipe down to turn off your phone. Once you have the vibration that indicates that the device is off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the OnePlus logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. This will in turn show you a language selection page, so simply tap on the language that you wish to use. I'll be using English. And this reveals our three options that you have access to in the recovery mode. So you have format data, reboot device, and power off. Format data is just a factory resetting of the device. There is no wipe cache partition. Reboot device takes us back to Android, and power off obviously does what it states it does. So anyway, I'm going to select the middle option and confirm it, and this will now boot me back up into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.